and a screwdriver, and I'm going to start tearing this thing apart so that, well, not tear it apart, but I'm going to take all this stuff off and all the screws out and measure just, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these off and I'm going to put them all the way forward so I have the finished edge all the way around, and then wherever these stop, you know, when I get them, wherever they end up, that's where I'm going to cut it off, and that's how thick my shelf will be. And then I also got to thinking, I could put, when it's hanging up, I could put a dowel through here and hang a towel, or even a paper towel rack. Or not a paper towel rack, but a roll of paper towels if I get a dowel in there. So I'm going to work on that too. My tools that I need to do this, saw, screwdriver, and then when I get to doing this, I will bring you back, and I've got to figure out how to hook it to that wall too. That's another problem. Okay, so I brought this in the house because I still got this pad on my table so I won't mess it up. And I'm just going to take all the hardware off of it, and I'll just cut it across, and then I'll pre-drill some holes to put this back in, probably with some screws that match. There's like 1, 2, 3 different kinds, 4 different kinds of screws. So I'll try and clean this up a little bit. What my plan is to put this as far this way as I can get it, and then cut it off level with this. So I'll just take and mark it, and then that's where I'll cut it off, so my shelf will only be about that long, which I think is going to be perfect. Then I have a finished edge all the way around, and I can find something else to use this for, or not. Okay, so I'm going to measure this, take it outside, cut it, and then I will return. Okay, before I go out to cut, I went ahead and got my measurements, and I marked it a little bit behind this curve on the wall hanger thing. I don't know if you can see that. But I've got my line right across there, all the way across. And I marked it with my pink measuring thingy, ruler. And I'm going to take it outside and cut it now. So I'll be back. That was a job. I was going to use a handsaw, but this wood's really hard and I was struggling with it. So then I know that in the shed there's this, I guess they call it a chop saw. It worked. I kind of had to take it out chunk by chunk because the chop saw only takes off so much, but I did it. So here's the end result of just the cut job. I haven't got the hardware back on. So that's going to be my new shelf. I'll get some pilot holes drilled, get those in there, and I'll get a dowel, and I think I will put a cutesy little one in there for a paper towel holder. Well, I got the shelf cut, and I got the places marked for where the screws go in. Trouble is, I can't find the charger for my battery drill thing. So I'm going to have to figure something else out. That's okay. While I'm going out here, I just got to thinking I wanted to show you my flowers over my gate. The trumpet vine that I got from my sister. It's really bloomed out, and the hummingbirds are loving it. And I got a whole bunch more. They're getting ready to bloom out right there. And the bees are loving it too. Anyway, alright, well, I'm going to head in and get that drill. I think I know where it is, and then I'll bring you back. found my drill. It works. And drill my holes. Just got to be careful not to go all the way through. Just want it to be enough to get those screws started without splitting the wood. Should be good. That. Let me get the brackets and get those put in. There it is, all done. Brackets are screwed in nice and tight. And then when it goes on the wall, I'd like to put it about that far away from the ceiling so that it's just over the stove. Maybe just like the top of the shelf would be eye level for me.